What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Lady, and I am back with another video. Oh, but if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe. I appreciate you for stopping by. If you've been here already, thanks for coming back. I appreciate the support. And y'all, today really, I don't even know what I'm about to really be doing. It ain't even morning time. It's about to be 2 o'clock in the evening. And I got a little time before I have to go pick up the kids, so I'm just like to record whatever I do.
Mama.
Leading up to that time.
Mama.
Yes.
No.
Got my son with me, as y'all can hear.
Mama.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let me see. He all up in my stuff. All up in my shades. Put my son shades on.
Mama.
Cute.
Mama.
Oh, wait. Hold on. It pulled my hair. But yeah, y'all. I'm just about to record. I don't even really know what the title to this video gonna be. But I'm just finna record. I think I'm just finna go, like, get something.
Milk.
Eat today. He wants some milk.
Milk.
Get something to, like, cook for the night for the children. And I need me some gas. Probably go get me some gas and stuff like that. And that's about it, y'all. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. No, son. He be around my brother. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for the next clip. I made it up in Walmart, y'all. We gotta do a little grocery shopping, but Walmart they playing music here, so I ain't gonna be copyrighted for that. So I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. We got Prime, boys. We got Prime. Okay, y'all. So I decided to make fried chicken, and that's what I'm about to get. And I'm about to get out of this store. There's way too many people in here, and I don't like it. And he is just talking to death. He is talking me to death.
Mama.
I don't even know what Prime is, but he's seen it. He want it. And he keeps saying, we got Prime, boys. We got Prime. What is it? Y'all come on to Walmart. They got your Halloween ready. Come on and get your little kids some costumes and stuff.
Mama, no. Mama, no.
It's too cute for my baby. Yeah, first Halloween. Thank you.
Mama. Let's go.
Wait till I scan all this stuff first. Don't be blowing your breath on me, boy. Go back. This stuff heavy. Thank you. Okay, y'all, we done made it to the girls' school, and we waiting on them to get out of school. But I was just sitting here, I was just thinking, like, life is really amazing. You know, you have your ups and downs, struggles and all that, but I'm just thinking, like, one man created all of this, and we just be complaining about simple stuff. And this one man created all of this in the world for us without complaining about it. And man, ooh, it's just, life is beautiful. And people take it for granted every single day. Take for granted what they have. Take for granted their living conditions. There's people out here living up on the bridge and you mad because you can't get a house. You got an apartment and you mad because you can't get a 5-bedroom house with 3 bathrooms. Like, life really be life, but I just done told myself, like, don't even complain. Yeah, it's your candy. Don't even complain about it, because it's somebody out there who just wish they can have the little bit that you do have. And I'm like, me just sitting here waiting, like, you know how you be in your thoughts. I just thank God for what I do have. And I'm not gonna rush nothing. I'm not gonna rush my process. I'm just gonna take it day by day and let the Lord order my steps. Cause this is really beautiful. The cloud. I'm looking up at the sky. I'm looking at the nature, the trees, grass, the birds flying in the sky. They so free. They just so free flying. That's how I want to be. I want to be just like a bird in the sky. With a bird's eye view. For real. About this life situation, because it ain't all peaches and cream, but we still here though. So for my people out there who life really just life, and just think about the greatness of God and all of this that He had put before us, way before our time, way before our grandparents' time, great grandparents. Like, He really created all of this for His children out here on earth. That's amazing. That is amazing. For real. And I just appreciate it, because every day we really be taking this stuff for granted. Food, water, this land that He done put here for us to grow our own food and stuff. And like, they taking it over. And like, people really is taking away our livelihoods. Where I'm from, like right now, they done cut down so many woods, messing up the habitat for the deer, like the wildlife. They messing up the habitat, just building unnecessary stuff. It ain't nothing for the kids in this community where I live at. Ain't nothing for the kids to do. They building all of these businesses, but it ain't no businesses for us. Ain't no jobs for us. Ain't nothing for the kids to do. Ain't no activities. Ain't no boys and girls club. No skating rinks or none of that. They just messing up the world. So I just try to make do with what we got and just thank God for what He created for us. Because these people is taking it for granted. But yeah, y'all, I'm probably finna just wait until, don't do that, son. Wait until the girls get out, and then I gotta go get me some gas. I don't really need no gas, but shoot, I gotta have a tank, and my grandma always said, your gas tank, get on and have a tank. Go back and refill it. I can't talk today, but yeah, that's what I'm about to do, and then I'll fry that chicken up. Cause that's what I feel like eating. I want me some fried chicken. It's a bad choice, but I'm finna eat it today. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. BRB. You gotta watch the chicken, baby. Watch the chicken, baby. Hold on. Chicken is washed. Got my Crisco. Oh, I'm gonna use this whole thing. No, I don't want you splashing it, because look at that. Oh, my baby crying, so if y'all hear my baby in the background, sorry. But I'm about to season this chicken. Some Old Bay. Whatever that is. Onion powder. A little bit of that right there. That right there. And some of that. And got some fries to go with it. Chicken. Put some hot sauce on my chicken, baby. And I don't measure nothing, y'all, so it is what it's gonna be, boo. Make sure you get enough for that season on now. Gotta be careful with this, cause this ain't got no little, just a big old opening. Ooh, put a little I don't even got no hot sauce. God damn. Got some of this though. Barely. Waiting on the grease to get hot. And need some gloves. Be back when the grease get hot enough. Need to drop these babies in. Yes, ma'am. Let me just show y'all one, cause I don't think I'm gonna show y'all me eating. How your chicken supposed to look, lady? Bow, 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 bow. Be a cook in the kitchen, a lady in the street. You can't show your teeth to every guy you meet. Huh? It's alright to be a little sweet, but be a mama with the kids. Alright, YouTube fam. This is my plate. My children don't cook all the fries. But you know what? It's alright. As long as they get full, be alright. But like I said in the beginning, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video, so y'all can stay tuned in. Comment down below if you can comment any ideas, anything that you would like to see, because I will try to get them done. And I'm just about to, my baby done woke back up, so I'm about to just eat, get ready for the bed, to be honest. And yeah, y'all, thank y'all. Good, baby, good. Taste this. Sorry if I'm smacking. Busting. Busting. See y'all in this video. Peace.